Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford badge on a Fiesta. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a heat gun to soften the old adhesive, along with some plastic trim removal tools to prevent any damage to your paintwork. Don't forget a good quality adhesive remover, your brand new Ford badge, and a reliable automotive adhesive for a secure fit. Now, let's remove that old badge. Use your heat gun on a low setting, moving it constantly over the badge for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. This softens the adhesive. Then, carefully insert your plastic trim tool under the badge and gently pry it up. Once the badge is off, use your adhesive remover to clean any sticky residue, ensuring the surface is smooth. Before applying the new badge, proper preparation is key for a lasting bond. First, make sure the area is completely dry and free of any dust or debris. Use an alcohol wipe to thoroughly clean the surface, removing any lingering oils or waxes. This step is crucial for the adhesive to bond effectively. Finally, take a moment to mark the precise spot for your new badge. With the surface prepared, it's time to install your new badge. Apply a thin, even layer of your chosen automotive adhesive to the back of the new badge. Carefully align it with your pre-marked position, then press it firmly into place for about 30 seconds. It's important to let the adhesive cure completely, which usually takes several hours, before exposing it to water or washing your car.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.